birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wala ka ba? 1, 2, 3, 6. Hindi ba yung blue? Ito, wish! Lagi ka, wish ko.
Hi, Boss Aloy. Happy birthday to you, boss. Wish you all the best in life. Thank you sa tanan blessings, sa grasya na mong gi-share nimo sa amuha, di lang sa kuha sa among tanan. Thank you kayo, boss, sa tanan. I hope you tagan pagtaas nga katuigan ni Allah, kanang blessings na grasya ang ibubo sa inyo. Thank you, boss. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Happy birthday to you, Big Boss All One Dimapuro. Hope you have a fantastic day and ride safe always, final.
Hello, brother. Happy birthday. Wish you good health and stay cool and stay humble and stay guapo. Love you, brother. Mama.
Sino ba yan ulit?
Hala! Boss Uloy nga!
Ay, si Boss Uloy, hala.
Wala, nasa video na yun. Huling-huli ka.
Ano meron?
Birthday nga!
Happy birthday, Boss Uloy.
Love you.
Love you.
Yup.
Ay, Boss Uloy, happy birthday. Basta Bisaya utog. Ay.
Gustos.
Happy birthday, Boss Eloy. See you train soon. God bless.
Happy birthday, mysterious guy. Cheers. Hi, boss. Happy birthday. Basta Bisaya. I miss you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, VM. Please know that we appreciate everything that you do. May you be blessed 1,000 folds. And may Allah grant you the happiness and all your heart's desire. Ride safe. Bye.
Busuloy, daghang salamat sa imong constant support and dedication. We are very lucky to have you to look up to. I wish you good health, peace of mind, and more great things to come. Happy birthday, brother.
So, wash out sa'yo, Boss Uloy. So, happy birthday, boss. Wish more birthdays to come and good health, stay humble, and ampi ka permi. Thank you for everything na gihatag nimo mga blessings kanamo, dili lang sa kuha kundi sa amo ang tanan. And thank you so much, boss, and God bless. Happy birthday and babu.
Hi, boss. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and good health. Unta padayon ang imong maayo sa amoa, boss. Og salamat kayo sa tanan tabang nimo sa amoa, sa imong pagsuporta financially og sa tuang sports. So again, happy birthday, boss. Wish you all the best.
VM.
Hi, Big Boss. Happy birthday. And thank you for supporting us.
Happy birthday, Boss Uloy. May your birthday be filled with as much joy and success as you bring to our team always. Wishing you a day filled with laughter, surrounded by those who appreciate your incredible leadership. Happy birthday, BM. We hope you have a wonderful day.
Brother! Happy birthday! Once again, brother, happy birthday! O kabalo ko, malipayon ka karon. Maklaro na mo sa imong smile. Ang wish lang yun nako sa imong birthday, brother, is good health. Kanimo o sa imong family. Og daghan kayong salamat sa mga tabang yun nga imong ginahatag sa ako ug sa amon tanan sa grupo. Once again, brother, happy birthday. We love you always. See you. Actually, na ako sa dalan karon, yonong nako kay para mag-video. Love you, brother. See you.
Happy birthday, brother. Aloy, kain ta wala patas-tas nula sa umur ka. Ago sa mga risky pakadakdakan naman. Alhamdulillah.
Hello boss, happy birthday nimo boss. Salamat sa tanang tabang nga gihatag nimo namo boss ug inawat nga hatagan ka sa Ginoo ug taas nga kinabuhi boss. Inawat nga ma-enjoy nimo imong adlaw boss. Thank you.
Happy birthday, boss!
Hi boss, happy birthday.
Happy Owens Day! Hi, Big Boss. I just wanted to greet you on your special day. Happy birthday. Thank you so much for being so supportive to us, for being so generous, and for being the best captain in the team. My wish for your birthday is for you to have a good health so that you can train. And here's for another year of achievements.
Hi BM! Happy birthday! Maraming salamat sa lahat. Wishing you all the best sa katawan mo, sa health mo, sa mga trainings mo, sa trabaho mo. Wishing you all the best. I love you, brother. Brr!
Hi boss, happy birthday. Wishing you more birthdays to come. And siyempre more power sa new bike mo. At keep safe always and stay hard always. Just enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Tito Aloy. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Aloy. I love you.
Happy birthday, Brods, and thank you sa support na binibigay mo sa amin. Thank you sa pag-spoil sa amin lahat and sa pag-support sa mga gusto namin. And nandito lang kami para sa'yo, suportahan ka sa gusto mo. And we love you and enjoy your day. Love you, Brods.
Brother Uloy, happy birthday. Wishing you more blessings, good health, and more power to rate ratio, di ba? May you continue to be a good leader and role model to your team, to your community and your locality, and may you continue to inspire others, and not just being a good athlete but also a good citizen of the Philippines. So ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana umangat ka ng age group para di na kayo problema. Alright? See you soon, brother.
Happy birthday, Big Boss! I hope you enjoy your day. And thank you to everything that you do for the team. Amping, see you soon.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Big Boss!
Happiest birthday, Brods. Alhamdulillah for another year. Gusto ko lang din magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga suporta mo sa amin. And more power. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hi Big Boss, happy birthday. My wish for you is good health, happiness, and unta ang mga wish nimo sa imong kaugalingon, sa imong family, mga come true, wish nimo sa team. And we are so grateful sa imuha. Maayo kay ka sa amuha, you guided us in every way. Thank you so much, Big Boss. Have a blast.
Good morning, BM! Have a nice one. Enjoy your birthday. Maraming salamat sa lahat. And kita-kits soon.